Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beauty Basics. Today it's all about eyeliner, which is my absolute favorite thing to do. So let's get started. So there are three main types of eyeliners. You have your liquid liner, your gel liner, and your pencil liner. Which one you go for just depends on your preference. I'm going to show you how I would use each of these eyeliners, and I'm going to start with the pencil. For each of these liners, I'm going to be doing a feline flick. So a pencil liner is probably the easiest and quickest of them all. So with my pencil, I'm just going to start by drawing on the top of my lid. The beauty of pencil is it really doesn't need to be neat because we're going to end up smudging it anyway. Then I'm going to take my smudge brush and just go along to make sure the edges aren't sharp. And now, time for the flick. Now with the pencil, I just like to drag the line. Don't worry about whether it's sharp or not at this point. Bring it back. And again, I'm just going to smudge the top. The most important step when using a pencil eyeliner is that you sharpen it up with some concealer. And that is your pencil eyeliner. The great thing about a pencil is it's really quick and easy, as you saw. However, it's not as long wearing as maybe a gel or a liquid would be. Now I'm going to be going on to the gel liner. With gel liner, you can use two different types of brushes. Either use a gel liner brush or a hard angled brush. Which one you choose is your preference. I'm going to be using a hard angled brush. I'm going to make sure that I draw the line with my hard angled brush. And what's really great about this is you can use the brush as a sort of stencil for the shape that you want to go for. The formula is super creamy, so it's so easy to add and manipulate the shape that you want with your liner. And just like the pencil, you can use concealer to neaten up your lines. The pro with a gel liner is the formula. It doesn't dry quickly, which means you can take your time to create the shape that you want. The con with the gel is you always need to use it with a brush, so it's just one more thing to remember. Last but not least is the liquid liner. Because of the texture with liquid, you just have to be a little bit more precise than the others. But you're just following the same steps as the other. Draw the line on the lid first before attempting the wing. And just like the others, if you want, you can use concealer to neaten up the line, although it gives a pretty precise tip to start with. The pro with the liquid liner is it's super precise, which means you can get a really defined liner. The con with the liquid is that it dries fast, so you need to be pretty quick and have a steady hand. But practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching my eyeliner tips. Really hope they helped and hope they challenge you to try something new. For more beauty basics, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing.